Oh, there it is. Oh, shit.
I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. Ew, is that the garbage can?
I think so. It smells like a dead animal. Closed at dark. Stay up out of that wash. It's pretty steep. Oh man, I can feel those moving. Yeah, I'm gonna try to circle up and around. We'll go this way. Mountain goating. think it's right here on the corner. Oh, there it is. Oh shit, there's a snake in there.
Ah, I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it.
I think it's just a blow snake.
I don't fucking care what kind of snake it is. Should I go up for a minute?
I can't see its tail. It might be a rattler. Hey, buddy!
I don't want to be involved with snakes.
Yep, it's a rattler. Guess we're not going in there today. Damn it. All that hike for nothing. I wanted to go in there and check it out. He's a pretty big one. He's probably that big around and at least that long.
So when you threw a rock, did
It started rattling.
rattle it?
Dang it, buddy. You're occupying where I want to go. Here. Might as well get some rattlesnake action.
Kind of sucks he's in there.
I know.
But how many more could there possibly be that we're just not seeing?
There could be a whole bunch. Rattler. Hey, buddy. Damn it. I wanted to go in there and check it out. I'm not trying to get past that little bastard. Ain't nobody fixing with that snake. I just want to get a look. Well, damn it. I wanted to go in there and check it out, but with shorts and tennis shoes on, I'm not going to try and get past that little dude. bust. I guess it was a good exploratory hike. But I know there's sneaky poos up here. We gotta be careful where you put your feet. Too steep to climb down. At least steeper than I'm comfortable climbing down.
If you can get your feet, just turn around backwards.
There's just nothing to hold on to up here.
Don't get the cactus. And then move towards the right. Or the
Make
left.
sure I don't have any friends in this bush. Like our friend in the cave. Alright, I think we're good. That's some rock climbing shit right there. Okay, do you want me to stay right here or do you want me to get out of your way?
No, I don't know yet. But I do know that I don't need you filming me coming down this.
Here you go. Don't slip.
We're gonna need gloves.
About 4 inches. There you go. Now you got a spot for your foot. Save us some hiking around, I guess. Oh, what do you think? That's good.
It's good.
What about the snake?
No,
You're not into danger noodles?
never.
Never ever?
I don't even want to see it.
Oh, okay. Well, today's hike was a bust, but it did give us a good idea where this thing's at. Now we know where it's at. We can come back in the fall when there's no more danger noodles to encounter and check it out. Well, we're almost back down to the car. We had a little occupant in the entrance of the mine, so we didn't get to go inside and actually check it out. But stick around, we'll probably revisit that one when the weather cools off and we don't gotta worry about critters as much. Till then, I'll see you later.
If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe below. Also, here are a couple of my other videos. Feel free to check them out as well. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your adventures aimless.